There's Dad. There's Izzy. And we're in this really pretty stuff. It's really pretty and bright. But yeah, I'm driving the boat. And I'm really bad.
We're fixing to run aground.
Boat. What?
We're fixing to run aground.
What's that big clear spot?
Yeah.
Daddy, what's that big clear spot?
Yeah.
But anyways, yeah.